Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying what's using space and preventing mistakes. Open Settings and tap Storage to see used versus free. Once you've noted large categories, backup photos and important files to a cloud service or your PC so deletions are reversible. Make sure to enable Safe Mode if you suspect a misbehaving app. This isolates problems and prevents accidental loss. Now, clear cache for top offenders and uninstall unused apps. Start with those using the most space. Once done with basic removals, focus on app-level housekeeping. Go into each large app storage settings and clear cache first. If space still lacks, clear data, but note you'll lose app settings. Use Files by Google or the Oneplus Cleaner tool to scan for duplicate files, residuals, and APKs. Accept suggested removals cautiously. Also, move photos, videos, and downloads to an SD card or cloud storage to reclaim internal space and improve device speed. You're almost done. Restart the phone to ensure system resources reflect the cleanup. Check storage again to confirm gains. If storage remains critically low, consider a factory reset after backing up everything. This is a last resort. If problems occur after cleaning, apps crashing or missing files, boot into safe mode to identify offending apps, then reinstall or remove them. Make sure to re-enable any disabled services and verify your backups are intact before final deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.